Hi, it's Joan Murphy with the Stellar One team. Did you ever wonder what the most important pieces of information are whenever you're submitting a help desk ticket? I'd like to share some tips and tricks with you to make sure that you get the most efficient help possible whenever you're reaching out for help. What that will do is it'll automatically give clues to what your issue is by just a glance at the ticket. Include any screenshots that you can. Screenshots will immediately tell where you're at and how they can help you. If you're experiencing an error message, this is the perfect place to include it as well. Specifics to what the error message is and what it says can be really helpful. If it's a high priority that you need taken care of right away, you need to include that. If it's something that's severely impacting your business, that should be included too. It will help to prioritize in making sure that they're spending the right amount of time in the right places on the cases. Make sure you include any relevant steps that you took to receive the error or the issue that you're facing, and also include anything that you've done to try and fix the issue or try and rectify the problem. What do you think the outcome of what you're doing should be? Maybe that doesn't align with the process that you're running, and that is just a little bit of confusion that they can help clear up for you.